Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am going to explore one more scent from Azman Perfumes, and the name is Where We Used to Live. Now this has been designed by Yvonne McCall. I'm not sure who this designer is, but anyhow, let's spray this on this paper and see how this one feels like. So this is the sample set they have sent me, Azman Perfumes. Let's spray it. It is very delicate, sweet. Maybe woods are in the background, but the start is kind of like some very delicate fruit, something like fig perfumes might have. So there are fig perfumes from Diptyque. So yes, so it has some kind of a fig fruity kind of feel, very rounded, light, airy, a very nice and safe perfume. I think you can wear it every day. It should be an everyday perfume. It has some cooling effect, maybe some jasmine is there, and florals, some florals are there, maybe white florals, because now florals are more prominent and I am getting them in my head. Fig or fruitiness is gone. Now there are a lot of florals, and you know already that white florals actually give me a headache, so I'm not going to sniff it too much. So if you like white florals and perfumes like this, maybe there is a woodiness, but it is very dim over there. White florals, fig kind of feel to it, and then it has some woodiness in the background, but it doesn't have anything like old books or something like that. There is nothing in here like this. So this is Where We Used to Live. I would still suggest it that this is going to be for women. For me, I would not wear it, and this is kind of like a spring scent, or maybe the weather is cloudy, or there is some winter rain or something like that. I think this could be where the weather is very nice, so you can wear it in a nice weather, or maybe just out of the shower, some kind of smell like that. Nice one. I would like it on a woman than a man. So this is my short review about this perfume from Azman Perfumes, Where We Used to Live. So this is the bottle, Where We Used to Live. Nice perfume, but I would say it is for women. For me right now, the best among these three I have described. 2 minutes After the Kiss was the best one. For women, I would really love it on a woman. Even I would wear it myself. That was an amazing scent. Red Jasmine was also very good. I think I would rate it number 2, and this one is going to be at number 3 for me, Where We Used to Live. So if you are a woman and watching this, I think Red Jasmine and the other one I described, 2 minutes After the Kiss, is the best. I think it is very seductive, very elegant perfume for women. So this is my review, and I categorize all the 3 perfumes for women. I think this Where We Used to Live from Azman Perfumes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Leave your comments below if you have tried these or want to try these. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.